Hello Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this video we're looking at the 1 pound propane bottle refill kit by Flame King. This episode is made possible in part by generous supporters on Patreon. These 4 items come in the kit that you will receive. The first is a single 1 pound refillable propane bottle that's empty, the adapter to use for refilling, the Allen wrench to release pressure off of the tank while you're filling it, and a stand to support a 20-pound propane bottle as your source propane. The propane bottles that we've chosen to put on the front of our little camper are 2 11-pound propane bottles, and they don't fit this stand because it's made for a 20-pound bottle. So we're going to be doing it a slightly different method than you may if you have a 20-pound bottle. This is our 11-pound bottle. It's going to be the source of our propane. And you can see, I'm going to do this without dropping it. And you can see it's just a little bit scary wobbly because the shoulder of the propane bottle isn't as wide on this bottle as it is on a 20-pounder. The valve covers that come on the top of the bottles are plastic, sort of a rubbery plastic, and they do have a rubber gasket on the inside for a better seal. And they do a good job of protecting the threads and the valve itself, but they are plastic and they will break. We had this one break on us. Because they broke, we purchased brass caps to go on, and they also have a rubber gasket on the inside. In addition to the 1 pound bottle that comes in the kit, we also purchased an additional bottle and a brass cap to go on top of it as well. We'll put links to all of these things in the description below. When you're ready to fill a bottle, be sure you are in a well-ventilated area. The reasons we bought the refilling kit are threefold. 1, to have the convenience of the small bottles without having to carry so many. 2, to reduce expense and waste. And 3, to be lawful and more safe in the refilling of the 1 pound propane cylinders. The disposable 1 pound bottles are not designed to be refilled, and they have the following on their labels. Never refill this cylinder. Refilling may cause explosion. Federal law forbids transportation if refilled. Penalty up to $500,000 fine and 5 years imprisonment. In contrast, the Flame King 1 pound propane tanks are the only 1 pound bottles certified by the Department of Transportation as legally refillable and transportable. They are made to be refilled for many years. Thanks for watching Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.